Hello everyone, today we see the overview how GPS satellites work. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, is a complex network.
The Global Positioning System, or GPS, is a complex network that enables precise location tracking worldwide. This remarkable system consists of three primary segments working in harmony. The first segment is the space segment, comprising at least 20 satellites orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 20,000 to 100 kilometers. These satellites are arranged in 6 orbital planes, inclined at 55 degrees to the equator. Each satellite completes to orbits daily, powered by solar energy and equipped with highly accurate atomic clocks. They continuously transmit radio signals containing crucial positioning data. Next, we have the control segment, which is the ground-based network responsible for monitoring, controlling, and maintaining the satellites. This segment ensures the satellites remain in their correct orbits and transmit accurate data. The heart of this operation is the Master Control Station, located at Schriever Space Force Base in Colorado, USA. Supporting the MCS are several key components: an alternate Master Control Station for backup, ground antennas for uploading data and commands to the satellites, and monitor stations that track satellite orbits and signal quality. These monitor stations are strategically placed around the globe, including locations such as Ascension Island, Diego Garcia, Hawaii, Kwajalein Atoll, and Colorado Springs. They continuously receive satellite data, allowing for precise calculations of orbital positions and clock errors. This information is then relayed back to the satellites for corrections. The final piece of the GPS puzzle is the user segment, which consists of GPS receivers. These are the devices we use in our daily lives, such as smartphones, car navigation systems, and aviation equipment. Unlike the other segments, GPS receivers don't transmit signals. They simply receive and interpret the data from the satellites. The control mechanism of the GPS system is a continuous cycle of monitoring and adjustment. The Master Control Station processes data from the monitor stations to calculate satellite positions and clock errors. These corrections are then transmitted to the satellites via ground antennas, typically every 12 hours, ensuring the system maintains its high level of accuracy. This intricate system allows for precise position calculation through a process called trilateration. A GPS receiver needs signals from at least 4 satellites to determine its exact location, including latitude, longitude, altitude, and time. The system's accuracy is made possible by the incredibly precise atomic clocks used in the satellites, which are accurate to within 1 second over 30 million years.
Thank you for watching. Stay connected, please watch for more.